Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing this absolutely stunning 1969 Cadillac Convertible. We'll spend a little bit of time today one-on-one with this lovely lady, so that way you can understand her real condition and what to expect if you were to purchase her and have her arrive in your driveway. So we've had numerous Cadillac convertibles over the years, and quite a few even this year. And to say they're some of my favorites, well, that'd be quite true. So finished in San Mateo red over white interior. This is everything you would want in a 69 Cadillac. The last one we had was gold. But boy, this red and white is iconic when it comes to color combinations on big Cadillacs. This car has been repainted one time. It's from California. That's where she was delivered new, and that's where she spent a majority of her life. And then to Florida, and then South Carolina. So I've got the key in the trunk, so obviously there, that's for opening later. I guess I ruined it now, didn't I? But you can see the paint on this car is absolutely spectacular. This rear bumper, I don't know if it shows in the video, but just a slight tarnish. It's not 100% brilliant, although it's very nice. Probably the only thing that I picked the car for. I can look at this all day. We just had this top is brand new, so I don't have it latched for ease of operation in just a moment. Vinyl back window. The other top, I believe, man, it could have been original, but it was starting to show its age. You see the 2-inch wide white wall, 1 inch from the rim. Should be appropriate for 69. Look at this body. Wow. So last of the rear-wheel drive years for Cadillac. You see a bench seat, which is typical, and this is actually a power bench seat. And it works. Interior by Fleetwood, body by Fisher. So all the power windows function. You see the cigarette lighter there. Power locks. Among other features, all the dome lights, courtesy lights, they are functioning as they should. San Mateo red, paint code 48, for those of you that follow. All the stainless looks terrific as well. This power antenna, believe it or not, it still works. Also, we can exercise that momentarily. Behind those 15-inch hubcaps, we have power disc brakes. I'm glad that the sun just peeked out for a moment. You can see the metallic in this paint. I hope it shows as brilliant as it is in person. Front bumpers look terrific. Polished aluminum grille. Dual headlights. There's the crest that we know and love so well. Power plant, 472 cubic inches. 375 horsepower. And get this, 525 foot-pounds of torque. Driving these is like driving your dining room sofa. You see the air conditioning compressor on top. This car is equipped with air conditioning and it functions. So this trim tag you'll see in the photos, you can decode that at your heart's leisure, and it will confirm that this car was built as it is currently represented. Little chip there where the door has rubbed the body. Do this here, the seat. All the way back, I'm 6'4". I love every inch. See, for people that don't know, the windshield wiper control there on the above the armrest. The odometer showing 3,628. I can't confirm that as 103 or if it was done. A lot of times people reset these after a restoration. Nice dash. Missing fin there on the AC vent. So this is equipped with tilt steering as well as telescoping steering wheel here. A little lever in. If you can see that. In and out. Let's do this. We'll run the top back. We can do this. Nice and fast. Boy, look at that. I like that. That's a good thing. Turn the key on. Our windows. Again, the idea of these is full transparency. We see everything function. How about them apples? Go back here. Boy, look at this paint. So here in the trunk, we've laid out some of the original provenance. Again, original owner's manual and Protecto plate. And you can see here August 7th. Coincidentally, that's my birthday. And there are the original registration cards for the years, several years, through 75 and so on, 77 in California. Prior owner, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, passed away. So this car was purchased out of Florida from another classic car dealership for over $40,000, $44,000 was paid for this cardboard, as you know. So this trunk material was absolutely original. A little bit of mothing, which is to be expected. Tonneau cover, nice to have. Do this, we'll fire it up. Oops, this way again. So everything here works, radio, just not the clock. have a 1969 Cadillac Convertible. Wow, what a beautiful car. Set this up. Here at AutoWorld of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.